Children, today we will be doing the revision of the chapter The Clever Crab. In this chapter, we read that there was a pond, and in that pond, there lived a stork who was now old. Okay, who was now old, and he was unable to feed himself. He fed on fish. That means he ate fish, and he used to eat fish from the pond itself. Now that he was old, he was unable to feed himself. So one day what he did, he stood near the pond and started to cry. Okay. So one of the fish asked that, "Why are you crying?" Fish asked, "Why are you crying?" So the stork said that, "I am here to bid farewell." Okay. As I am shifting elsewhere, which meant that he was going to some other place, going to some other place. And he said that he was going to the pond across the hills. Okay, sorry. As he was going to pond across the hills, because he had heard that this pond will dry up in summers. So the fish were really worried about it, that the pond will dry up in summers. So the fish asked the stork that, um, you know, please let us know that if there is some other way that you can help us. So fish asked stork for an idea to save their lives. So the stork said to the fish that if you, if you have all the trust in me, I can carry you. I can, the stork said, I can carry every fish rather, every fish one by one in my beak to the pond across. Okay. So now fish here, fish agreed. Fish से यहाँ पे मतलब है चिल्ड्रन to all the fish in the pond. Okay. फिश का प्लूरल भी फिश ही होता है. Okay. So all the fish in the pond agreed that we will go one by one in your beak to the other pond. Now there was a crab. Okay, now this crab was little witty. He was witty. That means his presence of mind was really good. Presence of mind मतलब प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड का मतलब होता है चिल्ड्रन कि वो बहुत जल्दी से सोच पाता था. उसका थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत जल्दी था. जैसे ही कोई क्वेश्चन आता था वो तुरंत सोच लेता था कि उसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए. एंड विटी का मतलब बेसिकली प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड तो होता ही है. उसका मतलब ये भी होता है दैट यू कैन जज बिटवीन द करेक्ट एंड द रॉन्ग, एंड यू कैन डिबेट to one person about what is correct, what is not correct, what should be done. Very fast thought process is called being witty. Now the crab was witty, and he questioned, and he said to the fish that we should wait for the pond to at least start to dry up. तो बेसिकली जो क्रैब था चिल्ड्रन, उसने ये बोला बाकी फिश को कि हम सबको तब तक तो रुकना चाहिए जब तक ये पॉन्ड ड्राई होना स्टार्ट नहीं हो जाता। अभी तो स्टॉर्क कह रहा है कि पॉन्ड में पानी नहीं होगा, तो क्या पता वो झूठ भी बोल रहा हो, राइट? हो सकता है कि वो झूठ बोल रहा हो। तो हमें एटलीस्ट तब तक वेट करना चाहिए जब तक इस पॉन्ड का पानी ड्राई होना शुरू नहीं हो जाता। लेकिन फिश वर एडमेंट। चिल्ड्रन, एडमेंट का मतलब होता है अपने इरादे पे जटल रहना, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं। लाइक अपने इरादे पे एकदम फिक्स रहना कि हमको करना ही करना है, हमें स्टॉर्क के साथ दूसरे पॉन्ड में जाना ही जाना है। ओके, द फिश वर एडमेंट अपॉन देयर डिसीजन। ऑलराइट, so one by one the fish went with the stork. One by one fish went with the stork. So at last the crab was left. Okay, crab was the only one left. Now stork said to the crab ki, do let me take you to the other pond across the hill. Okay, so crab, when he was left alone, so he had to agree, to whatever the stork was saying, as according to him he had left every fish in the other pond now. So crab also agreed. Okay, crab agreed. And to the crab's surprise, while he was flying in the air, he saw fish bones scattered all around the hills. Again, see children, अभी उसने क्या किया, जब वो क्रैब के साथ स्टॉर्क के साथ जा रहा था फ्लाई करके उसकी बीक में, तो उसने क्या देखा कि हिल के ऊपर फिश की जो बोन्स हैं वो स्कैटर्ड हैं। स्कैटर का मतलब होता है फैली हुई हैं। ओके, सो अब